This video is brought to you by walltools.com. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Quick Disconnect Head feature on the Blue Line USA automatic taper. This is an exclusive feature only found on this taper. There are no tools required to remove the taper head, so replacing a cable, cleanup, and overall service and maintenance has never been easier or faster. Let's get started. Step 1. Remove the cutter spring by grabbing the spring and twisting it off the brass nut. Then disconnect the cutter spring from the cutter chain. Step 2. Remove the cutter chain by feeding the chain through the cutter channel. Then drop the cutter chain assembly down and let it hang. Step 3. Remove the creaser cable by first propping the creaser wheel outward. Then feed the creaser ball end through the eyelet connector. Then release the creaser wheel. Step 4. Start by loosening the three-sided black knob about 15 to 20 half turns. Then place one hand on the taper tube and the other hand on the back of the taper head. Twist the taper head back and forth until it releases from the tube. The unique Quick Disconnect feature gives you full access to clean and service your taper while you're out on the job, without the downtime you get with cleaning and servicing a traditional automatic taper, saving you time and money. Now I'm going to show you how to reassemble the taper. Reassemble the taper in the reverse order. Step 1. Note the circular dowel on the taper head. Slide the piston cup down the tube. Line up the dowel with the notch on the end of the taper tube, then press down on the taper head until it's fully seated and retighten the three-sided black knob until tight. Step 2. Connect the creaser cable by first propping the creaser wheel outward. Feed the creaser ball end through the eyelet connector. Then release the creaser wheel. Step 3. Move the control tube up and grab the chain end. Then lay the taper on its side and feed the chain through the cutter channel with the blade facing towards the filler tube. Step 4. Attach the cutter spring to the end of the chain. Pull the spring out and down and connect the end to the brass nut. Lastly, check all moving parts to ensure the taper is working in perfect order. That completes the video on how to remove the Quick Disconnect head on the Blue Line USA automatic taper. Thanks for watching Wall Tools TV. Follow us now on Facebook and Twitter and get special offers and promotions on every order. Visit walltools.com for more information.